Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Election Commission to act tough against MLAs Dayanand, Narvekar and Agnel Fernandes. 6 report from Deputy Collector and Women's Commission. Excise officials seize liquor worth 10 lakhs. Goa Vikas Party UGDP declare pre-poll alliance. GVP to contest 33 seats. UGDP from Kokoli, Naveli and Veli. Subhash Faldesai joins BJP, a contender from Sange. Balwadis in the state congested and unsafe. Poingini cooker explosion incident exposes sorry state of affairs. Women and Child Welfare Director 6 report. Baichung Bhutia receives dream farewell amidst festival atmosphere in Delhi. Bayern Munich dazzle Indian fans in Audi Football Summit. And Sayadri and Iqbal 11 advanced into next round in Babu 2020 cricket. Now the news in detail. Chief Electoral Officer has taken a strong cognizance of alleged violation of Code of Conduct by MLAs Dayanand, Narvekar and Agnel Fernandes. Election Office has asked a report from Deputy Collector of MAPSA on the distribution of kits by GCA headed by Narvekar. In another violation, Agnel Fernandes had attended a function organized by Women's Commission as a chief guest. Women's Commission has been told to give explanation within 24 hours. The Health and Animal Husbandry Department may also face an axe for recruitments. Here is a report.
Chief Electoral Officer had received a complaint against Dayanand Narvekar in the GCA kits distribution case. GCA, headed by Narvekar, had distributed kits to the clubs on 7th of January. Sources in commission say any such distribution by an organization headed by a politician becomes violation of code. MAPSA Deputy Collectors has been asked to inquire and submit a report within 24 hours to the Chief Electoral Officer. Sources say Narvekar has been instructed not to indulge in any such activity. On the other hand, Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes may run in serious trouble for being the chief guest at a function organized by Women's Commission. Chairperson of Women's Commission, Azilda Sapeko, has to explain to the Commission the reasons why Agnel Fernandes was invited for the function in spite of code. Meanwhile, the Chief Electoral Officer has sent the reports to Election Commission on the code violation by 10 state government departments. The departments are Electricity, Animal Husbandry, Health, Mines, Water Resources, PWD, Sports, River Navigation, Sales Tax and Cooperative. The Election Commission had sought explanation from these departments on the recruitments. But sources say Animal Husbandry and Health Department may face serious action for violating election code. The senior officials may face immediate suspension for illegal act. Few days back, Flying Squad had raided Health Department for issuing acceptance letters to the candidates. Animal Husbandry is said to have reverted and frozen some 100 jobs after strict instructions were issued by Election Office. Counting of votes is tentatively fixed at Kare College of Law in Madgaon and Sargaonkar Law College in Miramar. Meanwhile, Excise Department has seized liquor worth 10 lakh rupees at Thivi Sirsai. The liquor was being transported to Mumbai. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sarvesh Varuskar.
Goa Vikas Party and UGDP are going for a pre-poll alliance. GVP will contest from 33 constituencies and UGDP will contest from Naveli, Veli and Kokoli. Meanwhile, Subhash Faldesai from Sange has joined BJP. He is BJP's prospective candidate from Sange, posing a question for candidature of sitting BJP MLA Vasudev Meng Gaonkar.
Goa Vikas Party and UGDP announced their pre-poll alliance on Tuesday. Goa Vikas Party head Miki Pacheco informed the media that this party will contest from 33 constituencies while UGDP from 3.
आज युती घडल्या दोन्ही पक्षा भितर आणि दोन्ही पक्ष मेळून आम्ही एक पार्टी विष्णू की लढून वयता. They are we had understanding three main cities which they asked, which one is one Kukolin, Wailing, and Navili.
UGDP will contest.
Around 33 states we are putting.
GVP's pre-poll partner UGDP has appealed the people to support the regional alliance. Dr. Fernandes claims that other regional parties may also join them soon.
We have been always looking forward for the regional parties to get together to safeguard their interests, also to safeguard the culture of this very little small place called as Goa, which is a lovely, wonderful place in the whole of the world that people are looking forward for. The vociferous response that we have from so many candidates who are coming to the regional parties itself shows the dislike towards the Congress, and that's the very reason people have come together and people have come to these two regional parties.
General Secretary of UGDP, Advocate Agnel Villegas, said that Safe Goa would soon join them once party's legal dispute is settled.
This unity was long overdue. Not just these two parties. Even the Safe Goa front, which has a dispute in the court, is likely to join us once the dispute is resolved. And I don't think there is any doubt about that. And we urge each and every group, each and every NGO which thinks good of Goa, which thinks of the future of our children, to join and support this unity of ours.
Meanwhile, Subhash Fernandes from Sangye has joined BJP along with around 200 supporters. Sangye BJP MLA Vasudev Mengaonkar was also present during this induction. Subhash Fernandes is ready to contest from Sangye. This is posing a problem for Vasudev Mengaonkar's political prospects.
काँग्रेस पक्षाची ती ध्येयधोरणां असतात आणि प्रत्येक जो विषय आसा लाचलुचपत भ्रष्टाचार हाचे विरुद्ध खूप मोठी आघाडी उघडिल्ली आसा आणि हांव स्वतंत्रपणान करतालो पण आयज म्हाका दिसपाक लागला की भारतीय जनता पार्टीन ह्याच विचाराचेर जनते खातीर लढत दिता ताणें हांवें कित्याक सामील जावंच न्हय आनी हो आवाज कित्याक बुलंद करचो न्हय म्हणून हांव ह्या निवडणुकीन भारतीय जनता पार्टी म्हाका कसली जबाबदारी दिता ती समर्थपणान पेलून भारतीय जनता पार्टीक सत्तेर हाडपा खातीर म्हजे सगळे प्रयत्न आसतले. पक्षान जर सांगले जर जायत आनी म्हजे कडेन जबाबदारी दिली जर जायत इलेक्शन लढतलो, पक्षान जर सांगले जर जायत खंयचेय एक काम म्हजे कडेन दिले जर जायत जाल्यार ते व्यवस्थितपणान सक्षमपणान हांव पेलतलो.
BJP will commence its Janasampark Abhiyan from 15 January. A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, from Madgaon Savio Dias, and video journalist Omkar Falari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.